Hey guys, welcome to the channel Cyber Fixer. This channel was made as a last stand option for those who needs to fix when in doubt. I'm Q, and let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another Cyber Fixer video. Today's video is going to be about the best extender or repeater router for your internet. Okay? I recently got this TP-Link, okay, and I'm running a 1 gigabyte speed. I have a fairly amount of devices in my house, so I definitely needed the increase in speed, and I like to have my systems hardwired. Okay, all right. So this TP-Link repeater router extender, whatever you want to call it, it is phenomenal. Okay, I have a gigabyte connection, and my router is a room across from me. I originally had my system in my bedroom, which is another room that way, um, give or take 15 feet. All right. So in the room, in my bedroom, hardwired on this extender, I was running 300. Okay. Now, in the room where the my router modem actually is, I usually get probably about 500 to 600, on the actual modem. This TP-Link is Wi-Fi 6, okay, and it works flawlessly. Like, I haven't had an issue with it, and I bought an upgraded Ethernet cord, Cat 8, and I have it plugged up to the extender, and I got it plugged up to my system, and what you saw at the beginning was the speed that I'm running. Very good product. I recommend this product if you guys are looking for something to extend your Wi-Fi in your house, especially if you're not near it and you want your system to be hardwired instead of Wi-Fi. Because Wi-Fi with Wi-Fi 6 now is reliable, but for some people it still isn't. I still prefer my stuff to be hardwired. So this will work for you if this is something that you want to try out. All right, this cost about $85. I purchased it from Targets. I got a warranty on it. Like, it's the best of both worlds, man. Because you basically have your modem in the same room with you because it's running off the same IP as your modem, and you can just hardwire it instead of trying to run Wi-Fi and you can't get that signal that you want to get. All right. So if you guys are looking for something good, something that's going to give you a stable connection when you're gaming or using a computer or whatever, I will leave the description in the bottom on where I purchased this from so that you guys pick up the correct one. You guys give it a try. Let me know what you think. Hope this helps you guys. That's all I got for you. Have a good day.